Did you know a junior accountant risked everything to expose her boss and ended up getting promoted to his job? Sarah Chen was reviewing vendor payments when she noticed something strange. $50,000 had been paid to companies that didn't exist. Her respected manager had been stealing for 2 years through fake invoices. Her hands shook as she stared at the evidence on her screen. Reporting him could cost her the job she desperately needed. The next day, he offered her a promotion to keep quiet. But Sarah couldn't sleep that night, knowing the truth. She spent weeks secretly documenting everything, then called corporate. Her colleagues turned cold, treating her like a traitor. For months, she ate lunch alone while whispers followed her everywhere. Then FBI agents arrived and confirmed the fraud. Her boss was arrested, and Sarah received his manager position, plus a whistleblower reward of $20,000. Sometimes doing the right thing pays off in ways you never expected.